In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI-powered copy reviewer workflow. When a user submits their copy, AI immediately analyzes the content and checks whether it matches your brand voice. It also provides reasons and suggestions, and everything is saved back into the database automatically. Let's start with the data model. First, we need a table for copy review. This table includes 3 key fields. The content stores the user's input. The isPassed field records a Boolean result. And the feedback field, this stores the AI's detailed suggestions. Here, the copy review table has already been created. Next, let's configure the AI. For the input, we need a text type to receive the original copy content. For the prompt template, it includes role, goals, and constraints for the agent. We've prepared one in advance. You can adjust it based on your specific needs. First, assign the AI a role. For the goal, give it a task description, clearly define that. It should evaluate content in a professional and objective way. Make sure to reference the input properly. For the output type, choose structured output. Define the pass field called isPass and the feedback field for suggestions. You can also add descriptions to make the AI output better match your needs. Structured output allows the AI to return results that your backend can use directly as JSON data. Don't forget to click sync when it is all done. Now, let's build the action flow. In the start node, define a text input called content. This will receive the copy entered on the front end. Step 2, choose the execution method. It is async. Next, add a start conversation node to call the AI agent we just built. This node sends the input text to the AI for processing. Step 3, add an insert data node. Store the original copy along with the AI's pass-fail result and the feedback suggestions into the table. Click sync again. Then, the front end on the page, add an input box and a button. Bind them to the action flow you just created and pass the input value as a parameter. Click preview. Now enter an example of non-compliant content. Back in the database, you'll see the action flow was triggered successfully. The AI accurately detects that the copy violates multiple brand guidelines. It marks it as failed and saves the record, along with a corrected example.